went to Mississippi State University and I studied mechanical engineering.
I went to the University of Alabama in Birmingham, studied electrical engineering.
I started my college career at Shelton State Community College. After a couple of semesters there, I transferred to the University of Alabama, where I completed a degree in civil engineering. I really admired the practicality aspect of civil engineering, where you're working to improve critical infrastructure for communities.
I went into engineering because my dad and my uncle are both engineers. I've always just been around engineers and always knew that it was something that I was interested in the math and science aspect of it.
I started off in chemical engineering and realized you don't get to build things as much. So I switched to mechanical to be able to design and build.
I have prior knowledge in it. I was an electrician for 11 years.
Part of what I do is kind of quality control of the iron that comes out of the cupola. That's part of my metallurgical responsibility, so I'll do a lot of checking on that, making sure that what we're putting into the cupola lines up with what we want out of it.
You build the project up, you design it, you work on it, you order the parts, coordinate with production on what they really want.
You could be out in the field working on a product installation with a contractor. You may be in an office with an engineer working on project specifications for a project that they have coming down the line. Or you might be with a customer doing a product demo for a product that they're considering using or may already be using. Listening to the customer, they're trying to find out their challenges, their needs, and we're trying to help them solve their problems.
The advantage of having a metallurgical engineer is that we know the science behind why everything happens, so we can kind of determine how something will work out before it happens rather than kind of testing it out, seeing what's going to happen.
Electrical engineering, they deal with the heartbeat of manufacturing pretty much. Without electrical power, the plant doesn't run.
As an engineer that works in product development, our job is to provide the customer with the best product possible. And in our department, our goal is to make sure that the customer has a product that's going to last.
Sales drives innovation, improvements, trends, and generally what's happening in the marketplace. So I think sales gives the customer a voice, and I think that's really important for us to remain an industry leader.
Just do something that helps you work with people, talk to a lot of people, and kind of it would help if it were a little bit technical based so that you could talk about engineering and work on explaining it to people that aren't engineers.
Some of the attributes I see in successful sales engineers are, they're good problem solvers. Two, they're very effective at communicating among a diverse range of professionals. They're really good at networking and building relationships, and they're very effective listeners.